Yeah. But this she no reason now. They say the patient dog, hunger will kill him this life. They hear me? They say, I see the gentleman for this now, I take end. It's deep for garden, for grand. I will push you for house. Man, people see, I don't even want to talk too much today, I beg. People see my mood today, people know that I'm not even happy at all. I'm not happy at all. Just imagine, see my guy Laycon now, yesterday, eh? Yesterday, this life no balance at all. Oh. See the way Erica was just giving him left, right, back, center, upward, downward. He was being a gentleman. Finally, what now happened? He's letting the garden. This life no balance at all. I'm telling you now. Hey. I'm sharing chairs for him now. But anyways, let the dead bury the dead. See, I'm angry. At the power like this, now I forget English and they speak. I don't dey happy at all. What did they happen, sir? Why the cock just they do like say no be street boy again? They allow the wire. That one said no, they waste time. Oh. Immediately he saw that Erica was tipsy. Yeah, he jumped. Like a lion, I saw him pray. He jumped. Okay, no waste time, you give the keys, so they do everything up and down. Look at just there. The gentle stone. He can't go to 10 praise. Waiting the 10 praise. You know, 7 praise, carry Katrina for bed. What they tell her? They give her green light finish. When we carry the whole traffic or give her. No, we carry the whole cars, but they don't carry give you to that. What do you want? No level if the guy, you follow back now. Eh? You follow back. You know, when you now door your package, tomorrow they're going to say, look at you, I cannot do anything yesterday. I beg you. She will go for who has the same vibe with her now. We know that you're a good guy, gentleman, yeah. But this, she no reason now. They say the patient dog, hunger will kill him this life. They hear me? They say, I see the gentleman for this now, I take end. It's deep for garden, for grand. I will push you for house. I don't leave you there. I don't want to talk about that. Anyway, Sha, I see as I rub my bed like this down, the reason how today night will be, you understand? Make I see what's going to happen. But what to defend me again? This nigga, what did that guy want, self? This nigga also triangle and Dorati triangle. What did they solve? I'm gonna help me. Don't tell me reason. What did they solve? Okay, see my guy, Mr. Also, the fine boy where everybody knows that they rasidual for the house. They massage neck. Next thing she carry the wire's leg, put on top her own. As in, your man come out the hand. You know, they feel the same thing when they call the piece small. You don't understand? Because I don't understand. Next thing I don't go meet Dorati, tell Dorati say, she does not know the kind of game Nengi trying to play with him, all of that shit. I'm telling you, last in the house, tears will flow. Tears will flow. Look at my face. Tears will come out from their eyes. Each of them. I don't know also or that Nengi girl. But let me tell you, finally, this also is a very smart guy, but when it comes to this, I don't know why is it that fair guys, okay, let's say, apart from me, why is it light-skinned guys when they get when they come to relationship? Why do they move over like this? Any guy will fair check out. Once you come to relationship, you know they get sense. I don't understand how it did happen. Anyway, I see the roots of my guy in Laycon. May God help him. But I will pray for him also. And also the gods are with him. You understand? So at the end, we'll see what will come out of it now. But I still wish my guy Laycon good luck, Sha. But Nengi try know what they do, I beg. And also, use your head now, you're the street boy. Guys, are you watching this? Are you following this show right now? Man, mad tension everywhere. Like, everybody is just like, ooh, there's tension everywhere. You can even hear a needle falling on the ground right now. As in, they're having their diary session now with Biggie, and everybody's like, talking about what he or she would do with the money when they win outside their house and all of that. And you know, now, do you know why it's like this? Actually, I'm feeling for Nengi also because now Ozo and Dorati, they are safe. They are immune to eviction. So Dorati now, man, if she leaves now, it will be very devastating for her. I mean, and also Tolani Badge. I think she's not really showing it, but she's tense. You know, Brighton, you need to see Brighton's face. Pastor. First of all, leave ministry now, oh boy. Let me swallow level. He did that as second time on the chair one day. I don't know, Biggie, take a easy now for this our guys. Take a easy, I beg. Anyways, the reaction now is just over the top, you know. I mean, everybody just like praying. People are talking their rosary inside what they are putting in. People are praying to their, whatever they are doing. my two guys, I hear you now. When I continue with that work, if you go in, no level. Anyway, yeah, I remembered something though. Come to think of it though. Can you ask Laycon, would he rather to take 3 million naira and leave the house, or leave 3 million naira and stay in the house without winning Big Brother? I don't understand, because that Yoruba boy said something that got me angry, very angry. I'm telling you, the boy opening Yoruba mouth talk say he will leave the 3 million naira and stay in the house so that he will see Erica's face. Hey, Agbani, people should look at me, please. Is that one normal? That one, just say that one gets sense. So, but when they say everybody like up is smart, decision making. These are no smart, oh Miami. These are no smart at all. Because I don't understand. Okay, you don't go win. And then you will be in the house. But anytime you see the way you're holding, talking, doing this love thing with Erica, you go like go to the sofa. You want that kind of touch-up in your life than taking the 3 million. No, these are no good at all. I beg. But like this now, there's tension in that house now, eh? Today is eviction night, you understand? So I'm thinking, I don't know what people are rooting for. But I don't know. I'm looking at these people, Praise, Eric. Because they say Eric, you see that Eric don't have sense. Okay, it's now that he comes to Big Brother. Is it that he come? It's not that I want to start saying he's trying to entice the housemate. Yeah. He's opened his mouth. To say he comes in, they do things. He love Lilo. Lilo have gone now. I saw him holding what on his waist. That's how this is so. The Lilo have sense now. You don't get sense now. Maybe he's watching it. You see, he's holding the waist. On waist now you go up. On up now you go now the bed duvet. And it's like it. Yeah. Life is turning on the own now. Life is turning on the own. Everybody can see it. I don't know this guy Praise. I'm looking at Praise. I don't know because lately he's not bringing the hype like we know, like the Praise we know into the house. And this comes of the fact that last time he was, he was, how would I call it? He was scared. He was scared to death. Like, man, wow, this can happen to me. So nobody is even indispensable in this house. Like, anything can happen. You know what I mean? So I'm looking at Praise also, and then Watoni. Watoni. I like Watoni, but I really don't see who is leaving aside from Watoni, Eric. The rest, I think they are, I don't know, Lucy too. Wow, Mama Lucy, Mama the Mama. I don't know if I know you don't like Lucy. This silent person, Keisha, that guy isn't a sense. So. That guy is doing as if she's not in the house, but she's in the house, she's hiding. Anytime they want to evict, she will hide. She hide. Only problem is I wish them all the best of luck. I don't like So my guys, anyhow, we don't stay tuned because of this. This you know. We just pretty make a big evict today, but the reason that we don't know how it will be.